What's up, y'all? This your boy JP the Install Guy, here to make your install life just a little bit easier. Today we got 2016 Kia Soul. I'm going to show you how to take this radio out and install a brand new double din. These are the type of videos you're into. Please consider subscribing, because these are what we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related. That's what this channel is about. So let's go ahead and get into it. This dash is extremely tight. If you're pulling on this dash panel because you got your panel removal tool all here and it's not coming out, don't worry about it, because I am feeling the same pain. One thing that I did find is I can come up here to the top. Alright, got that one. That just kind of gave me a small pop. And I can come behind here, and wherever you find the pop, I mean whichever clip that pops, that's where you want to use your leverage. There we go. Alright, so like I said, it's only held in by clips. You just kind of got to work your way around. Now we have 4 Phillips head screws, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. As soon as we take those out, we'll have that radio out. Alright, so now that we got all that out, pull that radio out like that. Get behind here and take out these harnesses. So we got the harnesses out. We have this factory radio right here. Now let's go ahead and get over here to the bench so we can get that radio inside that dash kit. Alright guys, so we are over here on the test bench with the dash kit. Comes in 3 pieces, and I will try to find links to all these and put them in the description for you. Now first thing we want to do is this little notch right here that comes on both of them. We just want to cut that off. That way so the dash kit can actually go flush to the radio. Alright. Then this R stands for, well, it says right on it. And what we want to do is we just kind of want to line it up right here. And the screws that actually came with the radio, we're going to put 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Alright, so we got 2 screws on the right side, 2 screws on the left side, and it looks like that. Now this piece is literally just going to sit over the front, so you're going to mount this inside the radio first, or mount this inside the dash first. This is going to sit over the top of that, and it's going to look a little something like that when it gets done with it. And then we're going to put that panel back on. Now let's go ahead and get this thing wired up, get this back inside the car. Alright guys, so we are back inside the car. We got this thing wired up. If this is your first time here, you're probably thinking, why didn't I go over the wiring? Well, here at this channel, we like to keep things short, sweet, and straight to the point. And it takes too much time to go over the wiring every single time. But I didn't forget about y'all. I made one video showing you guys how to wire up a radio. I go over the different wire colors, what they mean, what they do, how to connect those wire colors to your harness. And yes, every car is different, but as long as you know what those wire colors are and you buy the harness like you're supposed to, then you'll know how to wire up any radio. Now this one doesn't need any type of modules. The video that I actually link will probably be the exact thing that you need to wire this up. So let's just say you did cut that wire harness, or you bought this car used and the wire harness was already cut. I have a video showing you how to hardwire a CD player. All those links are in the card in the corners. They should be also down in the description. As a matter of fact, the whole how-to playlist should be popping up over here in the corner. But if you need those factory wire colors, I give that information to all my Patreons. Those guys go the extra mile on supporting me and the channel, so I go the extra mile and support them. Also, Patreon is the platform that I'm using to give more of my one-on-one type trainings and helping people out a little bit further, because it's kind of hard to reply to all the comments because I'm getting like 100 a day. Let's get this radio pushed back inside the dashboard so you guys can see what it looks like when it's all said and done. Alright, so you see we got it mounted back in right here. Now the dash kit, I went ahead and just snapped it into the front. Alright y'all, that's what it looks like when we got that thing tapped in. We got the backup camera working. If you want to know how to install a backup camera like a pro, I will link that video as well. Other than that, if you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Product links are in the description. Don't forget the Patreon link is also in the description for those who want to be a furthermore supporter. And if you don't want to be tied down to anything too long term, but just video still brought you some type of value, that heart that says thanks is also down in the corner. Not asking anybody to do anything that you don't want to do, but whatever you do is greatly appreciated. So till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, man. Y'all have a blessed day.